You're all set? In the last class, we learned additions and subtractions, right?
Yeah.
Today, I have an important question, okay? To you, all of you. What is the special characteristic of 0? What is so special about the number 0? Okay, I'll ask you. Suppose you take a subtraction, 1 minus 1. What is it? What is the answer? 3 minus 3? 4 minus 4? What is 0 minus 0? So, okay, you take another 0 from 0. What is remaining? 0. Take one more 0 away from 0. Still 0. This is one of the very important characteristics of the number 0. Now I have a question. Okay? What are the things in your life that you see? Okay? Suppose you have something. You give something away, but still you don't lose anything. So I wrote 0 minus 0 is 0. You take as many zeros as possible, but still the answer is? Is there anything similar in your life? Suppose you have something. Okay, a plate full of food. So Ishan has a plate full of food, and Alekia said, I want it. Okay, you gave some. You have all of your food? No. But there are some things in your life, even if you give, you still have whatever you have, full. Trade? Trade. Give me examples. Okay, suppose?
I get something, I give something back, they will give me an exchange.
No, we don't want exchanges. It's giveaway. There are 3 things in life, such things. I want you to find out. If children can find it out, then I'll ask adults. You have something, you give away.
Which your parents give you all the time.
Knowledge. I know Vedic mathematics. I am giving to you. Do you think I will lose it? No. Wonderful. So one answer is done. What are the other 2? Go ahead. I'll give you a hint, okay? Okay, for the second one, discipline. Teacher, yeah, so discipline is not, I don't know, yeah, so discipline, okay, if I have discipline, I give you discipline. I still have the discipline. That's okay, yeah, you're right. I want something that is very important, it's our own characteristic. Okay? Suppose, okay, I'll give you a hint. Alekia is so happy. She's like this. And then say, you is so sad.
She feelings.
Yeah. Yeah.
Happiness.
Yeah, happiness. You is so sad. But as soon as he saw Alekia, he felt like this. Hey, wonderful. So did she lose her happiness? But he got it, right? Then what is the third one?
Sadness?
Sadness you can give?
Yeah.
I don't know. Sadness, yeah. Yeah, if I am sad, and then if I say if I tell you all my problems, you will have my sadness, and I'll be happy. Okay, I'll give you a hint, okay?
No more.
Your mother gave something to you. What is that?
Birth?
Yes. That means what? She gave something to you.
She gave you.
Hmm?
She gave birth to you.
Yeah, what is you?
She gave life.
Life! That's the third one. Your mother has life. She gave
That life to you.
life to you. Does it mean her life has gone down?
No.
Life, knowledge, and happiness are like
0.
0. These are, if these three things are there, the person is complete. What are the three things? Life,
Happiness.
knowledge, and happiness. You know now why a 0 is written like this?
Because it's a complete and
It's a completeness. 0 shows
completeness.
completeness. Okay? All of you got it? So, in Sanskrit, life is called Sat. Say it out.
Sat.
Knowledge is called Chit. And happiness is called Ananda.
Ananda.
So, Sat, Chit, Ananda. These three things make your 0. Okay, now you know what is 0? So that's why 0 is the most important thing in the world. Where is 0?
Everywhere.
Where is 0? Everywhere means yes. First, where is 0?
Every person.
In every person. It's yours. Inside you, you have 0. You have all the three things: life, knowledge, and happiness. Nobody can give it to you. Nobody can take it from you. They are all yours. Okay? Now we come back to business. What is our business? Okay.
Mathematics.
Yeah.
Number.
So last time we learned additions and subtractions. Today we'll learn
Multiplication.
multiplications and
Division.
divisions. Okay. So you found additions and subtractions are very related, right?
Yeah.
Addition is like,
Climbing a ladder.
subtraction is like,
Climbing down a ladder.
Very good.
Climbing down the slate.
same with multiplication and,
Division.
yeah,
Multiplication is like jumping up a ladder and division is like jumping down a ladder.
that is right. He's also right. Yeah. So multiplication is also like, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, and then subtraction is nothing but repeated. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay, we'll start the multiplications. All of you ready?
Hi.
Well, the easiest way to start multiplications is by using doublings. What is the double of 5?
10.
That means it's 5 times
2.
2. We have learned multiplications. That's all. So what is the double of 10?
20.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful.
2 times 10.
So what is the double of 5?
10.
Okay, we will write it
2 times
as.
10 equals 20.
Okay, double of 5 is 10. This means 5 times 2 is 10. What is the half of 10?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, half of 10 is 5. That means 10 divided by
2.
2. Right or wrong? That's very easy. Multiplication and division are just the
Opposites.
opposites. Right or wrong? Okay, that's very easy. We'll see a few more doublings. Okay. Now, what is the double of 10? 20. What is the double of 15?
30.
How did you get it?
5 times 2 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15.
3 times 5 is 15. Well, I'm asking double of 15. How did you get 30? She got the answer right away.
15 times 2.
50 times 2. So how did you do it? Do you know the 15 table? No. Okay. It's very easy. 15 you split into
10 and 5.
10 and
5.
10 and 5. What is the double of 10?
20. 20.
20. And then what is the double of 5?
10.
So total?
30.
This is how you got it, right? See, she got the answer right away, but she cannot express it. All of you got it? Because 0 has all the answers.
It's 20.
But if I ask you how, you will not be able to say. All of you got it? All of you got it?
Answer to that too.
Yeah? You know the answer?
No, if it has all the answers,
Yeah?
then it'll have the answer to that question also.
Exactly. All the questions also come from 0. All the answers also come from 0.
Well, then why didn't it have the answer to that
Which one?
to your question?
You just have to find out. That's why I want you to make friends with.
0.
Yeah, that's very important. The more you become friends with 0, the more the answers come up. You don't need to think. Just they come up.
That means 10 plus 6 is 16.
Yeah, anything can come up. I'll show you.
6 is 16.
I'll show you.
10. Huh? 10 plus 6. Okay.
Okay. Suppose there is a number. Okay, I'll go a little tough. All of you ready?
I.
What is the double of 34? It's not easy.
68.
Oh, did you get it?
34 plus 34 is 68.
How did you get it?
4 plus 4, 8. And then do 3 plus 3, 6.
Right? We can say 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is?
8.
Okay, so double of 34 is 68. Good. And then
2
say,
times 34.
I'll go a little tough. All of you ready?
2 times 34 equals.
What is double of 45? Yeah.
90.
How did you get it?
Double of 4 is 8 and double of 5 is 10 and 8's value is 80, so 80 plus 10 is 90.
Claps! All of you got it? What he said? Alekya? Did you get what he said? What he said? Did you get what he said?
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. What is the double of 26? Arya. This is not easy. Yeah, go ahead. How did you get it?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
4,
6 plus 6 equals 12.
12,
Add the 1 from 12 to the 4, which equals to 5, and then leave the 1. Leave the 2
yeah.
there, and then if you add those two together, it will be 52.
Wonderful. Claps!
Happiness!
Oh my god, that's wonderful.
Happiness game!
Hey, happiness came out. It's already there. It just came out. Sometimes it comes out, sometimes it.
Sleeping!
That's the only thing. Okay?
Sometimes it plays, sometimes it sleeps.
Huh?
Sometimes it plays, the rest of the time it sleeps.
Yeah, sometimes it sleeps. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Now, Mahati, ready? What is the double of 29? $58. Claps. Good job. Good job. Good job.
How do you do
Hey, you all very easy. Okay, next you, Selvi. Double of 68.
Is it? Oh,
That's going to be tough for her. That's going to be tough. Tell me.
136?
136. How did she get? My God, you got it. Claps. Hey, I want to ask. How did you get it? Hello. Whoever is speaking is the
Crazy man.
teacher. Yeah, listen.
I just multiplied it by 2.
Yeah, how did you do it?
8 times 2 is 16.
8 plus 8 is
I
16.
just put the 6 and then I was just keeping the 1 aside. And then 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Then I added the one which came. I added the 1 which came in 16. And then 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, so 136.
Yeah, 6 plus 6 is 12. So she wrote it like something like 1, 2 here, right? Actually it's a 60 plus 60, right? 60 plus 60 is 120. So 120 plus 16 is
136.
136. All of you got it? You got it?
Yes.
Okay? Okay, I'll give you a little tough. Okay, 380.
Me?
Double, yeah.
380.
Yeah, 380. What is the double?
720. No. 760.
760 claps. How did you get it?
I already knew. 80 plus 80 is 160, 30, 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 160 is 760.
Yeah. Okay, now actually what we're doing is we are splitting the number into
1.
simple parts, okay? Hundreds, tens, units, like that. Right or wrong? Okay. Hey, what is 1 plus 1? What is double of 1?
2.
What is the 10 plus 10?
20. Same. Easy.
What pattern do you see? Anybody? Just speak it out.
220, 200, and 2000.
Yeah. Suppose you have 100. 100 plus
100
100 will be
200. You just keep adding 1000 is
1000 plus
1000 is
1000 is
2000. You just keep
what
adding
pattern do you
1000.
see here?
2 adding a 0.
Yeah, zeros. They just come. They just carry here. Okay, right? And what actually we are adding?
1 plus 1.
Only the 1 plus 1. Do you need to add the zeros? If I ask you to double the zeros, do you need to do anything with the zeros?
Nothing because
So,
this is
what is the double of 3? Okay, now double of 380 means 380 plus 380. That means which numbers you need to actually add?
38.
38. What is the double of 38?
76.
So 38 means 30 plus 30 plus 8. Okay, write it here. Yeah. 30 means 30 plus.
30 plus 8 times 2.
So 30. What is the double of 30? 60. What is the double of 8?
16.
Total.
76.
So the answer is 76. Right?
0.
We should put a 0.
Or else it's going to be a
Yeah,
minus.
you have to put a 0 because
Or else people will think that's a subtraction.
they think it is a subtraction.
They wouldn't.
Okay, I don't know.
380 minus 380 is 0. Not 760.
Do you understand now? All of you got it? What I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just 0, this 0, and this 0. Actually, they just move to here. Okay, just like this 0 and this 0 move to this 0. All of you got it? What is the double of 273?
273.
546. Hello? Look here. Okay? 546. How did you get it?
I did. Since 7 is big number,
Yeah.
5,
Yeah.
I changed to 2 plus 2 plus 1. I did 2 plus 2 plus 1. So that makes 5. So 7 plus 7, 4. I don't even need to carry over 1.
Mm-hmm.
5, 4. 3
Mm-hmm.
plus 3, 6.
Very easy. Right or wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I tell you? There are two ways. Okay, we can do. Okay, there are two more ways. Two more ways. Shall I tell you? If I double this number, is there a carry?
No.
You can split the number into different parts where there is no carry. What is the double of 27? 54. What is the double of 3?
6.
Answer is
546.
546. Got it?
Yeah.
453. Double.
906.
Fast. Okay, my God, they're very fast.
I'll do it next.
No for Krishna. Okay, Krishna, I'll give you. Okay, 612.
1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2.
Wrong.
No, yeah, 1, 2, 2, 4.
Okay. Aryan, 626.
1.
This is tough. This is the toughest of all.
1,252.
Perfect. Hey, claps. How did you do it?
It's easy. I add 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6
I don't get
is 12. 12 means it's a 12 is
it.
12, 120 or it is 1200?
12.
It's 1200. Okay. Then what else you added?
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 means
4.
4. 4 means it's a
40.
it's a 40.
And then I added 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6?
12 equals 12.
12.
And then add those two together.
Yeah.
4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals.
Good job. Good. Who else? You? Okay. No, I missed side this time. Okay. Sai, 707, double. It's not easy.
It's easy.
That's very tough. So yeah, you. Yeah,
1,000
1,000.
and 400
400.
and 70.
70.
No, 40.
14 claps. Good job. 707. Sai split into two numbers. What are they? 700 and 7. The double for 700 is
1,400.
1,400. Double for 7 is
14.
14. So the total is
1,414.
1,414. That's how we arrived at the answer. Good, very good, very good. So, okay. Yeah, you. Kaustubh, what is the double for 663? This is the toughest. I don't know why. Like,
663.
yeah, 663 double. It's not going to be easy for you. It's very, very tough. Let's keep it simple. So split the number into three parts. What are they?
660 and 3.
600 plus 60 plus 3. What is the double for 600?
1,200.
1,200. What is the double for 60?
120.
120. What is the double for 3?
6.
6. The total is?
1,326.
Right? 1,326. Good job.
Hi.
What is, first, okay, what is 35 times 2? Times 2 means what you have to do? You just have to double. Whenever there is a times 2, you have to? What is the double for 35? 70. Okay, good job, good job. And now if I ask you, 35 times 4, you know the trick? What is the trick? What is the trick?
I know the trick. 35 times 2, 78 times 2.
Yeah, right? So, because this time you are multiplying
By 4.
by 4, that means what? Multiplication is repeated
4 times.
addition, repeated addition. So 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35.
Or you could do 70
Right or
plus
wrong?
70.
So first you do this. You add these two. 35 plus 35 is 70. And what about this answer?
70.
So again, if you double 70, what do you get?
140.
140. 140. 100. Now do you? You got all of you got it? Multiplication by 2 means you have to double it. Multiplication by 4 means you have to double it how many times?
2 times.
2 times, right or wrong? Right or wrong? Okay. What is, 53 times 4? Use doubling. How many times you have to double? 2 times to double. Okay, first time double. How much?
106.
Yeah, 106. Again, what you have to do?
Double it one more time, so 212.
Claps to him. Good job. Okay, the next question is 45 times 8.
45 times.
Yeah. How many times you use doublings? Only doublings. How many times you have to double?
Once.
You have to double 4 times. Are you sure?
Yes. No, 3 times.
Are you sure? Okay, you will see. Okay. How many 8s? How many 45s you are adding here? Okay, 45 times 8 means you are adding 45. So, okay, 45, 45, 45, 45. How many you have come?
4.
Okay, 45, 45. How many have come?
6.
Okay, 45, 45. How many have come so far?
8.
So, this is 90. This is also 90. And then, okay, and this is also 90. This is also 90. Okay, now double 90. You reach
180.
huh? 180. And then again, this is also.
180.
And then what I have to do again? You have to
360.
double 180.
360.
How many times you have doubled?
4.
How many times you have doubled?
4 times.
4 times?
5 times.
10 times?
5 times. 4. Double.
First we double 45 to
90.
1 time. 90 to 180. That is the
Second time.
second time. 180 to 360. That is
Third time.
third time. 45 times 2. How many times you have to double?
4.
Only one time. One time. I put it here. 45 times 4. How many times you have to double?
2 times.
2 times. 45 minus times 8. How many times you have to double?
3.
Only 3 times. Why? Why? It's very easy.
4 plus 4 is equal to 8.
Yeah. So this is one double. Again this is a double here. And this is a double here. That's all. Okay. Now I want to ask you a question. Suppose I have a cup. Okay. This is, say,
600 ml.
one cup full of milk.
Yeah.
All of you like milk?
That doesn't look like a milk. That looks like newspaper.
It's a chocolate milk.
That looks like newspaper.
So 1 cup full of 1 cup is,
2 cups.
it's 2 cups. That's okay. And now say for example, okay, if I double 1 cup, I get
2 cups.
I get 2 cups. Now I have say
Half cup.
half cup. If I double it, then I get
1 cup. 1 cup.
okay. This is a full cup, I write it as 1. This is a half cup, how should I write it?
1 by 2.
Is it 0?
No.
Is it 1?
It's halfway there. Halfway there.
Yeah. Okay, now you assume that this cup is made into 2 parts. How many parts are full?
1 part.
Okay, 1 out of 2 parts is full. That's why we write it as.
1 by 2. That's fraction.
Hey, that is how you get the fraction. You got it?
Or you can also write it in decimal form as 0.5.
Yeah. And say for example, I have 1, 2, 3.
1/3.
Suppose I have a cup that is
1 by 3.
that has 4 parts.
1 by 4.
Only 1 part is full. What do you call it? It's called a quarter. It's called a quarter. Okay, very good, very good. So what is the double for 1/4?
1 by
half.
Uncle, are we learning fractions of multiplication?
Yeah, this is a 1/4, right? Double, if you double this, you get
Half.
a half. If you double half, you get a
1 whole.
one whole. Right or wrong? Okay, can I erase this?
Yes.
Okay, are you sure? All of you logged it?
Yes.
This symbol is for half and this symbol is for. And now you tell me, I'll write something and you have to tell me what it is, okay? What is this?
1 by 3.
This is 1 by 3.
3 quarters.
So I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you something else and then we'll see it clearly. Suppose I have another cup and I divided into 3 parts. What is this? How many parts total?
By 3. 1/3.
Total how many parts?
3.
3 parts. And how many of the 3 are full?
1.
So we can write it as
1/3.
1 by
3.
3. And then what is this? How many parts total?
3 by 4.
Yeah, how many parts total?
3/4.
4 parts. How many are full?
3.
So 3 out of 4 are full.
Are we learning fractions?
I don't know. Maybe.
We should be learning multiplication.
Now you tell me what is the double of 3 by 4?
6 by 8. 6
Usually equivalent.
1 by 4 types. Yeah. Are we doing equivalent fraction?
Yeah, whatever it is. You tell me the answer in cups.
6 8.
1 2 by 4. 1 2 by 4. 1 2 by 4.
You see
1
this?
2 by 4.
Yeah, maybe you're right. We'll see. Okay. This is a cup. How much full? 3/4 full. Okay. I'll write one more cup. See?
Okay, why do I do 2 by 4?
Okay. All of you ready? There is one more cup. It is also same. How many parts total?
8.
4 parts. And how many are full?
6 by 4.
This is also
3 by 4.
3 by 4. This is also.
3 by 4.
So this plus this is
1 2 by 4. 6 by
1 2 by 4. 1
the. Is it? Wait. Is it more than 1 cup or less than 1 cup?
more.
Answer will be. This cup has 3 parts full. This cup has 3 parts full. The answer will have.
6 by 4.
Okay, we'll write. First we'll write 1 cup. This cup, can we fill it?
Yeah.
Can we fill it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll fill it. So that means these 3 parts we are putting here, right?
Plus another cup. Plus
This part where are we bringing it from?
The other cup.
Okay, this part. Okay, you can say this part we are bringing it.
We borrowed it.
Here.
1 and a half.
How much is remaining now?
1 and a half. 1 and a half.
Okay, we will see. Still we need 1 more cup. And then
1 and a half.
how many here? We are remaining here.
2 by 4. 2 by 4.
2. These 2 will bring it here. So now what the answer is?
1 and a half.
1 and
Half.
half. How do we write it?
1 plus
1 1 by 2. You write it. You got it? All of you got it? Very good. 7 and half times 2, double. Times 2 means it's a double. What is the double for 7 and half?
15.
So, no, 14 and a half.
Huh?
You think it's 14 and half? Yeah. Why?
Like 7 to the 14 and a half. So, 14.
Yeah, you have to double the half also. 7 and half cups are there. You are doubling it. 7 cups will give us, if you double, we get a
14.
14. And then half, if you double it, we get a.
1.
The answer is?
15. 15.
Okay, now if I ask you 7 and half times 4,
30. 30.
that means you have to double again, right? 30 you get. Suppose I ask you 7 and half times 8.
60. 60.
Alexia.
60.
Again you have to go here. 60.
I know.
Right? All of you got it? Okay, now I will ask you very tough question. What is the half of 8?
4.
Oh, you know it? Why are you laughing? Oh my god, it's lie down. Oh my god. Okay, half of 8 is 4. That means this is 8 divided by
2.
Okay, you know this. Okay. What is the half of 60?
30.
60 divided by 2 is
30.
30. What is the half of 30?
15.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. How did you do it?
This is 50 plus 50, 30. And Kati will get 30. 30.
How did you get it?
30 divided by 2.
30 divided by 2. Okay, so the easiest way is, so 20, half of 20 is 10. Half of 40 is 20 because half of 4 is 2. It's easy. But half of 30, is it easy?
Why do you have to keep a comment at 30?
Oh, sorry. Half of 30? It's 15. How did you get it? Okay, that means you know it because you know it. It's coming instinct. Because intuitive. It's coming automatically. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So what about half of 50?
25.
25. Half of 60.
30.
Half of 70.
35.
Huh?
35.
Half of 80.
40.
Half of 90.
45.
45. Half of 100.
50.
Oh my god, you are all so smart.
This is the five times
Is it 5 times table? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything about that.
It is 5 times table. 20, 50, 25.
Actually, he's right. She's right.
Actually, either we are smart or that those questions are easy.
Both. Okay. Now ask you a little tough. Are you all ready?
Hard.
What is the half of 46? 46 divided by 2. That means it's at 23. Okay. And now I have a little tough. Ready? What is the half of 54?
32. 27. 27.
She's right. This Alakya is right. This Alakya is wrong.
22.
Okay. Hey, shall I tell you how? Shall I tell you how? I know. Actually, she tells the answer, but she doesn't know how you did because automatically zero gives her the answer.
No, 0 doesn't
Okay.
give an answer. Somebody else's 0 gives the answer.
Somebody else zero gives her your answer.
She already shouted out the answer, then she copied.
How come somebody else zero gives her our answer?
Somebody said their 0's answer and then she got it in her 0.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
message sending. 8 mail. That's not fair. 8 mail. She copied. It's 8 mail.
That's called inspiration.
That's not good.
Okay.
8 mail. Bad mail.
Okay. Okay, I'll come back. Are you ready? Okay, now I will explain how she did. Ready? You just again the same thing. You have to split the number into 54. You have to Alakya, you have to split 54 into
27 and 2.
how many times here? 50 and then 4. Half of 50 is 25. Half of 4 is answer is you got it now? Hey, you got it. I know.
I don't get it.
Okay, now I'll ask you a little tough. Are you ready? What is the half of 98?
I got it.
Who got it? Anybody can say the answer.
49.
40? You're sure? Okay, 98 you're splitting into what?
49.
90 and 8. What is the half of 90?
45.
45. What is the half of 8? Answer is?
49.
Oh my god. I thought this will take 1 hour to tell you, but you got in 3 minutes. Okay, then I will go for again. Little tough. 178. What is the half?
Me.
Sai.
What is the 100?
Yeah, you want to split it into 100?
And 1.
100
And 7.
Plus?
70.
70 plus
8.
8. So, come.
50.
What is the half of 100?
1.
What is the half of 100?
50.
Half. It's not double. Half.
50.
Half of the 100 is 50. Half of 70 is
35.
35. Half of 80 is?
4.
Okay, what is the answer?
89. 89.
Hey, good job. Claps for him. Very good, very good. And then you want to try a little tough. What is 326 divided by 2? Anybody? Half of 326. Anybody?
Wait, 163?
You got it right. Claps. How did you get it?
I divided 6 by 2.
Uh-huh.
The answer was 3.
Uh,
I divided 32 by 2. the answer was 16.
Amazing. That's what actually I was about to tell him how to do it. He got it. So you just split the numbers, the easier ways. What is the half of 32?
16.
Okay, 16. What is the half of 6?
3.
Alright.
63.
You got it?
No, there's 63.
Yeah, 160. You got it. Oh my God. Okay,
Yes, yes,
we'll
yes.
try. Okay,
Yeah.
we say the same way we can try. 256. Yeah, that's okay.
We can also do it with
Splitting, how to do it?
by 20.
Okay, we can we split like this?
No.
Why?
Because it's not
25 we cannot split into two easily. So we can't do it. What then? What you have to do?
You can split 56.
56 and 2 and
Yeah, you can split here. What is the half of 2?
1.
What is the half of 56? 56 is 50 plus
6.
half of 50 is 25. Half of 6 is total 28 here. Answer is 128. Right or wrong? Oh my God, you're so smart. Now I will give you little. What is okay? Half means dividing with. Half means dividing with. Okay. So what is dividing with 4? Suppose 72 divided by 4.
Can you do the other way like that? First divided by 2, then divided by another 2.
Right, she's right? 4 means it's 2 times 2, right? So we have to divide with how many 2's? How many 2's? 2. So how many times we have to half?
2.
2 times. Okay, what is the half of? Half, can you write like this?
Yes, sir.
Half of 72 is?
36.
Are you sure?
Yes.
36?
Yes.
Okay, and then is that the answer?
No.
Again, half of
36.
36 is?
18.
18. So that's the answer. Right or wrong? Now you learned dividing by 2 as well as dividing by
4.
4. What about dividing by 8? If somebody asks you divide by 8, 104 divided by 8, how many times you have to half it?
3 times.
3 times. So first time, how much you get?
52.
104 divided half it. You get it? 52. Why? You can split this number like this. Half of 10 is
5.
5. Half of 4 is
2.
so okay. You got it 52. And then again half it.
26.
50 plus 2.
26.
Half of 50 is 25. Half of 2 is
26.
Half of 2 is 1.
so 25 plus 1 20.
36.
And then what is the half of 26?
13.
13. That's the answer. Right or wrong? Okay, so you learned very fast. Now I only want to tell you one simple thing. Are you all ready? All. Okay. What is 44 times 5? We learned times 2. We learned times 4. We learned times 8. How to do times 5? How to do it? I want the procedure. What your 0 is saying. The easiest way to do times 5. Okay, I'll go. What is the half of 10?
5.
What is the half of 20?
10.
What is the half of 30?
15.
15. What is the half of 40?
20.
20. What is the half of 50?
25.
What is the half of 60?
30.
What is the half of 70?
35.
What is the half of 80? 40. What is the half of 90?
45.
What is the half of 100?
50.
Okay, now you tell me any pattern here? We are doing it. Ah,
5 tables.
you get a 5 table. You get a 5 table. And how to do this? Now tell me.
Keep doing
Easy,
that.
using the halves.
Let's see.
Shall I tell you?
Yay!
5 is nothing but 10 divided by
2.
2. So if you want to multiply by 5, the easier way is to first to multiply with 10 and then divide with.
2.
Multiplying by 10 means what?
But just add a 0 at the end.
Yeah, multiply. Okay, what is 1 times 10?
10.
1 times 10 is
10.
10. 2 times 10?
20.
2 times 10?
20.
20. 3 times 10?
30.
5 times 10?
50.
9 times 10?
90.
So multiplying by 10 means you just have to add a
0 at the end of the number.
0, right or wrong? Now, if you want to multiply by 5, what do you have to do? You have to multiply by
10 and divide
10
by
and then
By 2.
half it. So now tell me the answer.
220.
Oh my God, you're extremely smart. What is first 44 times 10 is?
440.
Very good, Alexia. Very good. Excellent. 400 and? Now what you have to do?
Divide by 2.
Ha, ha, ha.
Half
it. What is the answer?
220.
Right, claps. All of you got it? Now we learn multiplying by 2, multiplying by 4, multiplying by 8 and multiplying by 10 and multiplying by? Right or wrong? Okay.